Hey, today on Sizzling with Cindle, we've done another Ive round. We've seasoned it just a little bit different. We used our Famous Dave's original beef and burger rub on there, as well as some pepper and some garlic powder. We've really put on a lot of heavy pepper on there, like we always do, because we like that strong flavor with our beef. It really can take it, and it tastes really good when you eat it on a sandwich. So you guys stay tuned, I'll show that to you. Just a real short video. You've been here before, I hope you enjoy it. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Hey, so this is the Ive round that we've done today that we changed up the seasoning on a little bit. Once again, salt, lightly seasoned, Famous Dave's original burger and steak seasoning on there. And then we hit it with our pepper and our garlic powder real heavy. So as you can see, it got a really nice color to it. It's been on there 250 degrees for about, let's see, it's been on there for about 3 hours. So 3 hours at 250 turned out really well. It looks awesome. We're gonna let this cool down, put it in the fridge, and then I'll slice it up later and we'll have some wonderful roast beef sandwiches out of it. Hey, we've done that Ive round and I've showed that to you. It's really got a great flavor. I hope you try it too. If you don't have that seasoning, you can just keep it simple and add one thing to it just to try something different every time you cook. Maybe this time you'll add some onion powder or some garlic powder. Maybe you'll cut the roast and stuff it. You know, the choices are kind of endless on that. So play around with it. If you don't have Famous Dave's or you don't like Famous Dave's, don't know why you wouldn't, it's really good. But if you want to try something else, try something else. I've even thought about doing the High Plains Heat from Head Country. I think it might have a good flavor profile for that beef because it's strong enough to kind of really give a kick without covering up the beef. So I may try that next time, but this has just been a short little video to kind of put that out there for something different. Hope you're enjoying your day. We'll see you next time here on Sizzling with Cindle.